Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Epson M200 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First we check our Windows 10 machine is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In properties, find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. That is also easy and simple. Go to any web browser. Here type Epson M200 printer driver, download and hit enter key. First link is from the Epson. Open the first link, official website of the Epson. Here we find the Epson official website and here we find Epson and our model number or the printer name. Wait for a few seconds and here we find our operating system. Our operating system is not detect, right? Then click at here. And if your operating system is Windows 10 64-bit, then go to the Windows 10 64-bit. If 32-bit, then go to the Windows 10 32-bit. My operating system is 64-bit, so I click on the Windows 10 64-bit. Click on this go button and it's refresh our page, and after that new drivers are available for us. Go to the bottom of the page. Here we find drivers, double expand drivers. Here we find scanner drivers and here we find printer drivers. First I download the scanner driver. I click on this download. It's redirect to the another page. Click on the accept and our download is started at the top. Here we find our download is started. Click on this download. Click on show in folder. Minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Our first part is done. Next is our printer driver. Close it. And here we find our printer driver for our machine. Click on this download. Click on download button. Click on accept and our download is started at the top and it's take few minutes or few seconds. It's take few seconds to complete. Go to the downloads. Click on the show in a folder. Minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our scanner drivers and here we find our printer drivers. And this set of files are actually zip file and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy. Right click on it. Click on extract files. Click on OK. And here we find newly extracted folder. Double click on it. Double click on it. Double click on it. And here we find our drivers and we are going to install these drivers manually. There are two ways to install it. First way is double click on this printer driver and install it, and second way is the manual way is the best way. Go to the start and type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds. New options are pop up in a few seconds. The option is the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close this. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer we find last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select that. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. Click at here and select any USB port. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port that you find. Click on the next. Here we find HDX. Click on the HDX. Click on the browse. Go to the desktop. Our drivers are on the desktop. Select our newly extracted folder. Double click on it. Double click on it. Here we find Winx or Winx 64 or the 32-bit or 86. Double click on it. Here we find our setup file. Select our setup file or the drivers file. Click on the open. Click on OK. Here we find our printer. Select our printer Epson M200 series. Click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give Epson M200. Click on the next. It's installing our printer and it's take few minutes or few seconds depending on our machine or PC or laptop. Wait for a few seconds. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share this printer with the network, then click on share this printer on network. Last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next option is install our scanner driver. That is also easy and simple. Go to our scanner file, double click on the scanner file, click on the yes. Unzipping process is started. Click on the next. Accept the terms and condition. Click on the next. It is installing our files and it takes few minutes. Wait for a few minutes. Our scanner part is also done. Click on the finish. Next step is check our printer and scanner working properly or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners. Click on printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name Epson M200, that means your printer is properly working and it's work 110% on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.